If you bought a new Android device, you may forget to back up the important messages on your Android device. Therefore, it will be more difficult to recover accidentally deleted text messages on your old Android device on your new device. Can you recover deleted messages on Android devices? Yes, you can find the answer in today's video, and we will also introduce the most practical methods to help you know how to recover deleted messages on Android without backup. The first method is the simplest, but since the recycle bin has a time limit, permanently deleted messages cannot be restored. Firstly, launch the Messages app on the Android device and choose the three-dot icon. Then to restore deleted text messages, tap the Recycle Bin button and choose the texts you want to recover. After that, select the Restore icon to recover all deleted Android messages. If you haven't backed up your messages and the recycle bin can't find them, you can use DroidKit Android Data Recovery to recover deleted messages. It deeply scans your phone and allows you to quickly recover messages in simple clicks: WhatsApp chats, files, contacts, and more, up to 13 types of essential data without a backup. You can also preview deleted messages and choose what to recover without erasing other data. Firstly, click the link in the description to download DroidKit on your PC or Mac, then connect your device to your computer via USB and launch the DroidKit. Then tap on Recover Lost Data and click Quick Recovery from Device. Now check Data Type and tap on the Start button to scan data on your Android device. Here you can only check text messages. Now connect your Android phone to the computer and head to the Start button to continue. Then DroidKit will scan the data you choose to recover. Once finished, select the messages you want to recover, then click to Device or to PC to restore them. Of course, you can also use another phone and Google account to restore deleted messages. Firstly, launch Settings on your new Android device and press the Accounts button. Click the Add Account icon and enter the Google account credentials of the original phone on your new Android device. After logging in with your Google account, you need to access the Messages app. If you have synced your deleted messages with this Google account, you will be able to see them in the Messages app on your new Android device. Now you can store your deleted messages on your new mobile device or transfer them to your original Android device. But please note that you need to check if your Google account is associated with your original Android device. If it is already associated, you can get back the deleted messages on your Android device by syncing your Google account. Finally, you can also ask your carrier support for help. The carriers of Android devices tend to store messages for a few months. So, if you are unable to recover deleted text messages on your Android device using the above methods, you can consult your carrier provider. You can visit the carrier store or make a call, or you can consult them online. After contacting them, the carrier provider will ask certain information about your mobile device, and you need to tell them some necessary details. The carrier provider will ask you to wait for a few days, after which you will be able to recover deleted text messages on your Android device. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. See you next time.